Hello mga mahal ko! Naghahanap ka pa rin ba ng best CCTV? Well, I got you. Meet Tapo C200. This is a security Wi-Fi camera na perfect sa bahay or sa work. So you have the charger. You also have, ayan, yung mga pang-mount ng camera kung gusto mo ba siyang i-elevate. And of course, ang main event, ang camera itself, yung CCTV natin. So mapapansin mo, tamang-tama lang naman yung size niya. And as you can see, ito yung back part niya wherein yung pinaka-speaker. And ito yung bottom part. So, maayos, maganda, mabigat. And of course, bumili rin ako ng SD card. Kailangan nyo yan, guys. Bumili ko yung pinakamataas na rin. And of course, sinaksak na natin para makita if it's really working. And it does. Ayan, nakita mo naman, umiikot. Mahal ko, parang maliit na robot. So, ayan, 360. And then, ayan, nagtitilt din yung camera niya. So, of course, kailangan mo i-download yung Tapo app para talagang makita mo yung features nito. So, you also have the chance na makita yung camera up, down. Ayan, kanang kaliwa, pwede mo siyang ganunin. Pwede ka rin mag-mark ng kunwari